This video is less of a product update and more of a walkthrough. The main thing that I'm going to be trying to show today is how to organize columns within the experiments table. So we've got the experiments table open at the moment. There are a lot of different ways that we can move stuff around. The first that may not be super obvious to everyone is that things can be dragged and dropped. So we can drag and drop columns. We can also drag and drop column groups. We can move this one over here as well. We can probably put it on there. Yep. So that's the primary way of moving things around. We can also select and deselect columns using this tree over here. So if we give it a bit more room, we can see that we can do the same thing with groups. So that's a whole file or single columns. On top of that, we also have this quick pick, and the quick pick comes in probably more handy when we have a lot of columns. So we could do something like get rid of all the metrics, and we can bring them back as well. Metrics, and we can do the same thing for files. So let's say we wanted to do metrics.json. We could search for that as well. We could do params.yaml, if I could spell params. Yep. So if we have a large folder full of metrics or params, and we only want to get rid of those just so that we can highlight things a bit easier, that's one of the ways that we can do that. We can do the same thing by clicking on this icon, so we can select all the columns that we want to display here as well. And then a couple new things that we've done. So we have introduced this select first columns. So here, if I wanted to move some columns to the start of the table so that I can see them more easily, and then turn stuff off later on, rearrange things, I can do that in that way. And we have a few other options here. So we can still just move stuff to the start by right click as well. Yeah, and that's basically it for now. We can do the same thing with files as well. Okay, so yeah, lots of different ways to move stuff around, how to organize the columns in your table. Hopefully some of that stuff can be more useful when the table gets a lot wider. And yeah, that's it. Any questions, come back to me. Thanks.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this product update video, please like and subscribe. Thanks, DV. And feel free to post comments and questions below. Beyond our tools themselves, we have many resources for you on your ML journey. Visit our docs, our blog for tutorials, our YouTube channel, our Discord server for support and community, and our free online course. You can find all the links to these resources in the description. Thanks for making it to the end. DV and I will see you in the next video.